this is my sister Amber right now, and yes, she's just watching a movie right now. And this is my cousin Grace right now. She's just watching a movie too. And this is my brother Jimmy. So yes, they're just watching a movie. So bye. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Nora. So today, I don't know what video I'm going to be making today. You saw the intro was very interesting. Well, after the intro. It was very weird because I have no idea what to do for today.
I don't know.
So we're just going to do random stuff with random sound effects.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Okay, let's do your turn.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Nora, and bye guys. I hope you liked it. It was kind of random, but